Hello everybody and welcome to this informative tutorial. Today we'll show you how to import 2D plans. You'll find them in our layer system. We'll open it through the sidebar. You can find all plans at the very top. We'll now import one. Just hit the import button to do so. For now it is only possible to import JPEGs, PNGs and TIFFs. Next, hit the File button. The File Explorer will open, and we can search for the plan we want. If you already know where your file is, you can copy and paste its path into the text box. Again, hit Import. Your plan now shows up as a layer under Plannings. It's also in the viewport. Plans are not geo-referenced and always appear in the center of your project. You might not immediately see it if you've worked on your project before and have moved away from the center. Back to the layer system. Here you can toggle the visibility of your plan, edit it, duplicate it, and delete it. You can also rename your plan. Let's take a closer look at editing plans. You can move the plan by writing in X or Y coordinates. They are stated in centimeters. Alternatively, you can go to the Input window, hold down your right mouse key and drag the value. You can scale the plan in the same way and rotate it. It is essential to adjust the plan to the right size and move it to the right place. The best way to achieve this is to start by setting the scale correctly. To change it, move to the part of the plan with the scale. Go to the measuring tool and measure it. If you have not used our measuring tool before, please check out the respective tutorial. As you can see, the distance in my plan that's marked as 20 meters is only 15.75 meters when measured. This means I need a plan scale of 1.27. We measure again to make sure the scale is accurate. Now we want to move the plan to its correct place. We'll use the positioning tool. The move inputs are very fine and better suited for later adjustment. Search for a part of your map that is easily recognizable in your plan. Click on it. After that, search for this exact point in the DOP and click on it. This moves the point of your plan to the point on the DOP. As you can see, this updated our move values and we can use them to fine-tune if we want. Now we can adjust the rotation. You can toggle Show Rotation Point. This shows the point your plan will rotate around. It automatically changed to the point we used for position matching. Now focus on a point far away from the rotation point, then adjust the rotation value until the plan matches perfectly. As you can see, your plan is projected over everything in your project. Of course, you can change the projection mode. Now we're only projecting onto the DGM, and your plan shows up below 3D objects. You can also switch back and layer it over everything. You've now got your plan positioned accurately and can use it as a base to build with 3D objects or communicate with your customers in different ways. See you again soon, and happy visualizing.